Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you an unboxing from Your Creative Studio. They reached out to me. I think this is the third one I've done for them. I think this is the month of October, and obviously they asked me if I wanted to do another one. I said yes, because I love all the little elements that you get. These are great crafting supplies, journal supplies, and I will put a link below to the website so you can go over and take a peek. So as you see, I haven't opened it. I took my postal details off of there. This is how it came, and this is the little thank you, and oh, lasagna, that's what it says there. I think that says lasagna. I could be wrong. Eyesight's not the greatest. So let's go inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take this out, move the box. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Let's move the box out the way. Okay, I normally keep everything in the box anyway, and I've got them stacked up behind me with little notes on them, like which, you know, what month it was, so then I kind of know what's in them. So right, I always try and save the paper, because I save it. I haven't used any of it yet, but this would be great for like collage work or making tags or whatever. Back it onto coffee dyed paper. Oh, that's really strong. Oh, there we go. Okay, that bit's tore. So goodies. Okay, so obviously that's the little thank you card. Then here, what do we have here? Wonder if that's washi of some sort. I don't know. We shall see. That doesn't want to open. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not washi. It is little stickers with food, with food on it. Oh, I take it this is cooking. This is cooking themed then. Oh, my favourite thing, food. Oh, pretzel. So there's loads of these little stickers. That will be handy. I haven't done a food or like recipe type journal in a long time actually. So right, so that's that, and that goes in there. Then we have these. They'll be like little journal cards, I think. They're little journal cards. Yes, they are. Yep, they're not stickers, they're just little journal cards. So there's loads of them. Oh, it's not really. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, and that. Harper's Bazaar. So there's lots of them to play around in. They'll be great at making little tags. Then these journal cards, I think. No, stickers. Whoops. Oh, lots of stickers. Again, all food related. Little the advertisements, I think, and Coca-Cola. Do you know, the other day we bought Coca-Cola in the little glass bottles that you get, you know, years ago. That's the only way you got Coke, it was, in the little glass bottles. And oh my gosh, I didn't actually have a lot of it, but it tastes so much better than out of a can or like a bottle, like the plastic bottles that we get them in here in the UK. Biscuits, little cat eating them like a breadstick or a chip or something. Oh, these are really cute. Very cute. And ooh, sweeties and cakes. So there's lots and lots of these again. Did that come out of there? Maybe not. I don't think that did. So that's what was in this box. Whoops. Oh, right, I'm going to have to put that back in a minute, because one of the stickers has come undone and it's sticking to everything else. So this here is washi. You always get some washi. Oh, that's nice. I like the gingham, very kind of retro. Can't find the end here. Let's see. That maybe not be the end, that'd be why. Oh, is that the end? Just wanted to pull a little bit out for you to see. So I like that. That is nice. Then here, I think this is a wood stamp. You always get wooden stamps as well. And that is like, I think is that, I'm just making sure I'm, yep, somebody holding like a platter with the dome thing over it. Like a waiter, someone bringing you your dinner. Another wood stamp, that looks like cake. Who doesn't like a bit of cake? My hands are really cold. So yep, like cake with the cherry on the top. Then here we've got, I think they are more stickers. Let's have a little peek. I like the rolling pins, how cute are they? So they're stickers as well. And so this, my hands are so cold, it's absolutely freezing outside. So we've got little stickers here, little stamps, love these. Again, little, are they stickers? Don't think they're stickers. Maybe some of them aren't stickers. Maybe they're just like vellum pieces. Oh, I like that. How cool are they? I'm actually in the middle of making a journal, so I might actually use some of these because they're not, some of them can be used for other things, like the labels. I like the labels and the tickets and things, so that's that. I'll put that back in a minute because it's just taken too long. Then here is, that's like tissue paper because it's not paper. Is it tissue paper? Yeah, it's like a tissue paper. It's got like food on it. Hat, rolling pin, French stick, chopping board. I'll put that back in a minute. Then we have, oh, I'm getting excited about that. Oh, they're rub-ons because it's got a little thing there. So let me get that. So you've got the little stick thing to do your rub-ons with, and there is this. How cool are they? Oh, I like them. They're very nice. So is that 3 sheets of that? Yeah. Oh wow, can't wait to play with that. And I keep all these packaging as well because you can turn that into something if you're doing a bit of journaling. So that's that, and like I said, you get a little thing there. Now, what are these? Oh, these are actually stamps. Oh, how cool are they? I like the little bag that comes in as well. Right, let's see if I can get that out. So yeah, that's the stamps. Look on the red, like rubber. Peel the individual stamp from a backing, stick to an acrylic block for stamping. Cool, I like that. And then here we have got, this is papers. It contains, oh, there's sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper, patterned paper, 24 sheets in total. Let's have a little peek at them. You can actually see them on there, but I will take it out of there. And again, how cool with that? You could literally fold that in half and pop that into a journal. So there's that. I like that. Oh, cool. So you get so many of each. Oh yeah, I think some's thinner, so I think some of it might be like the sticker paper, and obviously the vellum's at the back here. Oh, I like that. Now I've got to find like a retro digital kit to kind of do a retro recipe cookbook type thing. So that is all them. So that is all the lovely goodies in that box. Like I said, that was the month of October. You get so much stuff, so much to play around with, plenty to do, more than like one journal with. Literally just so much stuff. going to have fun with this when I find a kit to use. So there we go. That's everything in the box. I will put the links below. If you have any questions, ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.